Does your trim look faded and tired? Here's how to restore and revitalise your ride's trim and plastics. It's tough Aussie land out in the big backyard, and the harsh conditions will wear away at your ride's exterior surfaces. Luckily, with Mother's Naturally Black range, breathing new life back into your trim and plastics is made easy. For heavily oxidised and affected surfaces, start with our heavy-duty trim cleaner kit to scrub away the grey and pave the way for rich blacks and a refreshed, clean surface. Once finished, give it a wipe with a soft microfibre towel. Next, follow up with our Trim and Plastic Restorer liquid, or Trim and Plastic Restorer aerosol to condition and further revitalise, all while sealing a layer of protection in to resist further harm from the elements. Once finished, wipe away excess residue with a soft microfibre towel. And that's it. It's that simple to get your trim and plastics looking and feeling healthier again. We wish you all the best with your detailing, and feel free to get in touch if you have any questions.